Hindi mo kailangan i-post lahat. Hindi mo kailangan i-explain lahat. Hindi mo kailangan magpakitang I'm improving para lang may maniwala. Minsan, the most powerful growth nangyayari ng tahimik. Alam mo kung bakit? Kasi hindi mo kailangan ng validation mula sa mga tao. Minsan sila pa yung reason bakit ka nasaktan. Napansin mo rin ba, kapag tahimik ka, mas malakas ka. Kapag hindi mo na binabalikan yung mga taong may utang sa'yo ng energy, mas gumagaan buhay mo. Kapag hindi mo na sinusubukang ipaliwanag ang sarili mo, mas nagiging totoo ka. Growth doesn't need an audience. Healing doesn't need approval. Progress doesn't need comments, and congratulatory message. Yung totoong nagmamature, yung mga unti-unting natutong umalis sa ingay, umiwas sa comparison, at magtrabaho ng walang patunay, walang look at me, walang sinong mas magaling. Ganito kasi yan. People respect result, no announcement. At ikaw yun. You entering the reason of your life, where silent is your super powerful. Where your peace is more valuable than attention. Where your progress is sacred. Hindi pang content, hindi pang likes, pang buhay. Kaya tandaan mo to, your growth is real when no one sees it. Your growth matters even when no one claps. In your journey is still valid even when no one notices. Keep going quietly. One day, sila na mismo magsasabi, ang laki ng pinagbago mo. Hindi mo na kailangan sabihin, kita na.